As-salamu, alaykum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh, and welcome back to Deen Daily. Today, we're re-exploring some inspiring updates from the Muslim world, stories showing how Islam continues to grow, evolve, and unite us all in 2025. First, a wave of new Muslims in Dubai. Over 3,600 people embraced Islam in just the first half of this year. According to the Mohammed bin Rashid Centre for Islamic Culture, these new Muslims came from dozens of countries, proving that Islam's message of peace and truth continues to touch hearts everywhere. Second, GCC nations strengthen Islamic cooperation. In Kuwait, leaders from across the Gulf Cooperation Council met to discuss Islamic affairs and endowments, what we call awqaf. They're working together to better manage charitable funds, preserve Islamic heritage, and support scholars, a beautiful example of unity among Muslim nations. Third, Qatar's AI Fatwa service. The Ministry of Awqaf in Qatar launched a new digital innovation called Live Fatwas. It uses artificial intelligence to make verified Islamic answers more accessible worldwide, combining modern technology with timeless Islamic knowledge. Truly, a step forward in spreading authentic deen through new means. Fourth, new mosques in Sharjah. 4 new mosques were opened in the Emirate of Sharjah, together welcoming over 4,000 worshippers. This reflects not only growth in infrastructure, but also in community, giving more Muslims a place to pray, learn, and gather for Allah's sake. And lastly, a call for peace in Sudan. The Muslim World League condemned attacks on displaced Muslims in Sudan, calling them violations of humanitarian and Islamic values. A reminder that as an ummah, we must always stand for justice and mercy wherever Muslims suffer. Each of these stories reminds us Islam is living, growing, and uniting hearts across the globe. Until next time, may Allah keep us firm upon truth and bless our brothers and sisters everywhere. Wa as-salamu alaykum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh, and Ramadan Mubarak.